Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video, I'm going to quickly show you how to go live on TikTok mobile. So let's get into the video. So firstly, go to TikTok and log into your TikTok account. So once you've logged into your TikTok account, so what you need to do, if you're eligible to go live, so what you have to do is simply click on this plus option here. When you click on the plus option here, you just need to switch between the templates and live options. So if you are eligible, since I'm not eligible for live, I don't have the live option popping up. But if you're eligible for live, next to the templates, you will see the live option. So simply switch to the live option, and then all you have to do is simply click on go live, and that will start, and you will start live, and that will start capturing you, and you will be on live, and that's pretty much it is. So as I mentioned earlier, this is only available if you are eligible to go live. So at least you need to meet the minimum age requirements and 1,000 followers requirements in order to go or to be eligible for this live feature. So once you're eligible, then you can simply click on this live option and then hit on go live to go to be on live on TikTok. And that's pretty much it is. Hope this video was helpful. I will see you in another video. Thank you.